Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Bill.com. I'll tell you more about Bill.com, then we'll proceed to pricings and also comparing with other products. So let's start. Bill.com is an advanced bill payment solution for businesses that helps to manage the financial operations of small and mid-sized companies. The software integrates and shares financial data with the user's accounting system. Bill.com runs accounting payables or APs and accounts receivable functions remotely for users and offers a smart way to create and pay bills, send invoices and get paid by the customers. It increases efficiency and saves users time by automating the entire work. Companies can set up approval workflows and custom roles that suit their team. The platform accepts international payments across various countries and currencies. Bill.com uses industry standard transport layer security to protect the data in transit. It is equipped with smart features like automatic data entry and duplicate invoice detection that save time and reduce human error. The software stores its data in cloud storage and makes team members to get access to it anytime and anywhere, enabling collaboration. Bill.com also offers flexibility to add a new payment options, besides expanding the way business can receive money. It's made for all types of businesses, small, medium, large, also freelancers. You can run it in your web browser and in your mobile phone as well. If you have iOS or Android, it doesn't actually matter. They are located in Palo Alto, California, and they are providing really nice support during business hours. When we are checking the pricing, we are checking it for business or accounting firms. So let's go with business. They are providing free trial, so don't worry. But if you really can't commit right now, you get 3 plans, for example, and then you can request a demo. By that time, you can get the trial of what features you really need. But mostly pay bills and get paid. It's basically the top from both worlds. For corporate, it's $79. But if you need a custom pricing with some custom features, request a demo, or feel free to write it down and click on this little button, and they'll be able to basically tailor you the options you need. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.